Hello my dear students, in this video I am going to show you how to use event plan crop to add super cool effect in our video clip. So without any further delay, let's start it. I already added a sample video clip in timeline. Now to use the event plan crop tool, simply click on this little crop icon which is called event plan crop. If you don't see this little icon, then click on this hamburger icon and then select edit visible button set and check this event pan crop. Alright, so once you click on this little icon, you will see this window. By default, normal edit tool is selected. By click and dragging on this corner to the up, you can easily zoom in or zoom out your video clip. After zoom in, you can easily move your video clip. This time I just simply set it here, and for this our full video clip is just zoom in.
Just bought this new Lamborghini here. It's fun to drive up here in the Hollywood Hills. But you know what I like? My TEDx talk where I talk about how I read a book a day.
Alright, now if you want to restore this one, simply right click on this and select restore. And using this zoom edit tool, you can zoom in or zoom out your clip by simply left and right clicking on mouse. Now if you want to zoom in or zoom out your clip without maintaining aspect ratio, then check this lock icon. After unlocking this, here you see we can zoom in or zoom out our clip without maintaining aspect ratio. This time I restore this again. And by selecting on this, by default it is selected move freely. Now if I set it in x-axis, now look at this. We can only move it in x-axis. Not possible by moving it in y-axis. And this time we can move it in y-axis but not in x-axis. Makes sense, right? Now I restore this one and unlock the aspect ratio and simply add black border in both sides. And in the preview screen, here you see the effect. Alright, now I close this one. Now let's create a video track, and this time I insert a text media. Now let's say this time I type knowledge is power. And set font size in 22 and select the font American Captain. Alright, this time I set it right here. And scratch it like this and create another video track and insert another text media. And this time I type Tai Lopez and select the same font American Captain. And set it in middle. Alright, and just scratch it like this. And yes, we are almost done. Let's play this clip.
Here in my garage, just bought this new Lamborghini here. It's fun to drive up here in the Hollywood Hills. But you know what I like a lot more than materialistic things? Knowledge. In fact,
Pretty cool, right? So in this way, using this event pan crop, you can easily add different type of effect in your video clip.